Hey folks, Mr. Tolly. Visiting the gun lube business again. My piece of metal has been outside for 2 months, roughly. I'd have to look to be exactly sure, but it's been out there a couple of months. I should have dated the back. But we get I'm getting a pretty good idea what's a decent lube and what's not. Or at least what I think is going to be decent. Stool's hanging up. So, the worst one was the Trigger Fanatics. So, I guess I won't be counting on that for a lube. The Royal Purple Max film didn't do too bad. The Lucas, not too bad. Surprisingly enough, the Rem oil did the best. And then you got the hops and the arch oil. So I don't know how well you can see that. Hopefully well enough. That Trigger Fanatics really did a bad job. And that's, I mean, it's all just surface rust, but I can't just rub it off. You know, this is rusted in there enough that it doesn't rub off. And the Rem oil, I don't know if you can read it or not, but the Rem oil here in the middle is what I've been using for years, and it looks like it's pretty much done the best out of all of them. So that's the Arch Oil, Hops number 9, Rem Oil, Lucas, Max Film, and Trigger Fanatics. And there you go. Proof is in the pudding, so they say. Now I don't know what I'm going to do with this piece of steel. I'll do something with it though. The Rem Oil actually feels like it, and the Lucas too. They actually feel like they still have a film on them. The Arch Oil not so much. The hops not so much. But I can actually feel there's a film there, and on the Lucas and on the Max film. So there you go. That's all for that. So that's a little update. I'll keep using Rem oil. I've been happy with it this far. And that's about how I'm going to do it. Keep it up. Keep it up. I'm going to get back to some leather work. I got stuff I want to get done. I don't need to get it done. I don't have any pending orders right now, so we're doing pretty well. All caught up with everything. I should actually probably go in and do some reading while nobody's home, because it's the only time I can do it. But I'll get to that. Anyway, y'all stay safe and God bless. That's the wrap up on the oil. I'm not going to bother leaving it out anymore.